Hi, I'm Traci Smith. I'm the author of Faithful Families series of books. And in my books, I like to share with families practical ideas for faith traditions, rituals, and spiritual practices. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the spiritual practice of mindfulness and offering 3 simple practices that can be used to develop mindfulness at home with your family members. The idea of mindfulness has been a part of the Christian tradition for centuries. It's the idea of focusing our attention and our awareness on God and being in tune with the Spirit. There's lots of research that backs up how mindfulness is good for our spirits, for our well-being, and for stress reduction. And so the first idea is about finding and noticing the beauty outside in the world. And this is a practice that's in my first book, Faithful Families. And the idea is very simple. In the book, it's listed under beauty, but it's really a mindfulness practice. And what you do is just ask each member of your family to spend a certain amount of time outside and ask them that while they're outside to take a mental picture of something that they notice that's beautiful. And then at the end of it, you come together as a family and talk about what you noticed, what you saw, what did it look like, sound like, smell like, what were the details of it, and how did you experience and notice God's beauty. The second mindfulness practice is also outside, and it's a rainbow meditation. So you go for a walk outside and ask each person to alert you to when they see something in each of the colors of the rainbow going in order. The rule that we use in our house is that it has to be something in the natural world, not a piece of trash or a billboard, but we go through the colors of the rainbow and notice things in the world in that color. The final mindfulness practice is one that came to us, I think, originally from the Buddhist religion. It's also been adopted by many other faith traditions as well. And it's the loving kindness meditation. It's a meditation that reminds us to think of others, to bring others into our awareness. And so to do it, you can do a Google search on all the different ways, but one very simple way is just to think of someone that you care about. Could even be a stranger, and just to close your eyes and in silence repeat the phrase, "May you live with ease, may you be happy, may you be free from pain." And just repeat those thoughts about whatever person that you have in your mind until the time is up or until you feel the Spirit nudging you to move on, and then to just say amen at the end. So thank you so much for watching and for joining me on this little journey through mindfulness. I hope that you found it helpful, that you can use it with your family. If you'd like to connect with me, I hope that you do. Visit me on the internet at Traci Smith. There's a dash between the two, TRACI-Smith.com. Thank you so much.